Welcome to J Has Heart.
Hi, my name is Michelle. Do you see my friends? We're here to talk about bullying. If you look at the screen across here, I'm going to help you learn about bullying. Bullying means to hurt or scare another person by teasing or hitting them. Can we say that again? To hurt or scare someone by teasing or hitting them. So me, I'm in first grade. Can you tell? And when I was in kindergarten, he teased me and she teased me because of my hair. I couldn't believe it. I was hurt. All by words. Bullying really hurts. You see, it wasn't just me. All around the world, there are you and you and you that are being teased from bullying. 1 out of every 3 students are teased and bullied. And it really hurts. It really does. We're going to talk about 3 types of bullying. Can we all say 3? I said, can we all say 3? The first type of bullying, it's called verbal bullying. Can we say verbal? And verbal bullying is when we tease or we name call. It's when someone looks different than us and we say, oh, you look this way and you look that way, and we tease each other. And it's not fair. It's so not fair. The second type of bullying, it's called physical. Can we say physical? Yeah, physical bullying is when we hit or we push someone. Can you raise your hand if you've ever been hit or pushed? Yeah. See, okay everyone, you can't hear me. We all have been hit or teased or pushed. And these things really hurt. We're going to talk about the third type. Can we all say 3? The third type of bullying, it's called social bullying. And that's when we talk with our friends, like my friends down here, and we say, don't talk to her because she looks different. Don't talk to him because he looks different. And we tell our friends not to be friends with other people because they look different. And it really hurts. Those are 3 types of bullying. Now, we're going to go and play a game. Are you ready? Repeat this after me. 1, 2, 3. Bullying starts now. Yeah, do it again. Bullying starts now. One more time. Bullying starts now.
Welcome to J Has Heart.
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 Welcome to J Has Heart.